Welcome to Zikzok Coin Action. Dear viewers, today we have something truly special to discuss. Top 3 United States most valuable coins worth that could be in your pocket change. Listen, dear friends. If you don't have a single coin, still watch the whole video. Maybe one day you will have all the coins, then you find real coin value. Stay connected with us, and we will tell you what is true. Let's start now.
Again, welcome back to Zikzok Coin Action. We will be discussing the value and significance of the 2017 United States $1 coin, also known as the Roosevelt Dime. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey through. Dear viewers, to fully understand the value of any coin, it is essential to explore its historical context. The Roosevelt Dime was introduced in 1946 to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt, who served from 1933 to 1945. Since then, it has become a popular collectible due to its unique design and historical significance. The obverse side of the 2017 Roosevelt Dime features a portrait of Franklin D. Roosevelt facing left. This iconic image was designed by John R. Sinnock and retained on the dime since its inception. On the reverse side, you will find an olive branch, a torch, and an oak branch symbolizing peace, liberty, and independence, respectively.
Factors influencing value.
When it comes to determining the value of the 2017 Roosevelt Dime, several factors must be considered. These factors include the coin's condition, rarity, demand from collectors, and overall market trends. Generally, coins in uncirculated condition with no visible wear or damage tend to have a higher value.
What is current market value?
Dear viewers, so what's the approximate value? Dime has a face value. As of my last knowledge update in April 2022, these coins were considered highly valuable. You can expect them to be worth their face value or a bit more, especially if they're in excellent condition. Friends, and with the passage of time, its value can increase greatly. However, its numismatic or collector's value can vary significantly based on market trends and demand. A well-preserved, uncirculated 2017 Roosevelt Dime can be valued at around $10 to $50. Keep in mind that this estimate may fluctuate depending on the factors mentioned earlier.
I hope you enjoy this video. If made any mistake, please forgive me. Thanks. Coin number 2. The value of the United States 1-cent coin. This video is going to be very special for you. Let's start, my YouTube family.
We're going to explore the value of the United States 1-cent coin, also known as the penny, in the year 2005. So, if you're curious about whether that pocket change might be worth more than you think, stick around. Before we get into the 2005 penny's value, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The United States penny has a rich history, dating back to 1793, when the first pennies were minted. Over the years, there have been various designs, metal compositions, and minting facilities, all of which can impact a penny's value.
The design on the obverse or front
features a portrait of Abraham Lincoln, our 16th president, while the reverse depicts the Lincoln Memorial.
Now talk about face value.
At face value, a 2005 penny is worth, well, 1 cent. But what makes coin collecting interesting is that many factors can influence a penny's value beyond its nominal worth.
Now talk about market value.
So, what's the approximate value of the 2005 1-cent coin from United States? Dear viewers, as of my last knowledge update in March 2023, these coins were considered highly valuable. You can expect them to be worth their face value or a bit more. So, dear viewers, in conclusion, the 2005 United States penny is a fascinating piece of history and, potentially, a valuable collectible. If you come across one that seems unique or in exceptional condition, it might be worth exploring its value further. Remember, the world of coin collecting is vast and exciting, and you never know what treasures might be hiding in your pocket change.
I hope you also enjoy this video. In video made any mistake, please forgive me. And subscribe Zikzok Coin Action. Thank you. Coin number 3. 1997 United States Liberty $2 coin. Are you ready? Let's start.
Explore the historical significance and value of the 1997 United States Liberty $2 coin. Join us on this exciting journey as we uncover the unique features, minting information, and factors that determine its worth. The 1997 Liberty $2 coin holds immense historical significance. This coin, part of the statehood quarter program, honored each of the 50 states in America. The Liberty $2 coin specifically commemorates the concept of liberty, which is deeply interwoven into the fabric of American history and culture. The obverse side of the 1997 Liberty $2 coin features George Washington's portrait, as seen on most U.S. quarters. However, what sets this coin apart is the reverse side. The design showcases an eagle in flight over a beautiful rendition of the Torch of Liberty. This image symbolizes the spirit of freedom and the values held dear by the nation.
Current market value.
As of the year 1997 Liberty $2 coin holds a face value of $20 to $40. However, its numismatic value can vary significantly based on the aforementioned factors. Generally, these coins can range in value from $50 to $300 in circulated condition, whereas uncirculated or proof-grade specimens can be valued between $312 and $615 or more.
Thanks for watching and subscribe Zikzok Coin Action for more coin info. Thanks.